Stormwater compliance made easy. JC here. Just download it from our website, stormupdated.com.au. Links are in the description below. Enter your email and click the green button to download JC and run it on your desktop. Once you run the application, click OK on the opening message and you will see an option to run a new model or load an old one. Just click on the new model and you'll see our map pop up. Here you can see the state of Victoria. You can also sort by different states. Each of these colors represent meteorological templates for that particular region. This gives the user confidence they are building in accordance with the local guideline. Once you have confirmed your location, JC will ask you which type of catchment it is. There is an option of mixed and split. These refer to pollution generation. More info can be found in the links to our training videos. Next, JC will ask, how would you like to set up your site? You can trace catchments based off a plan. This is particularly useful for visual representation. If you do not have a site drawing just yet, you can enter notes by spreadsheet. Now the main interface for JC fires up. It asks you which image you would like to use for the site. You can upload a JPEG or a DXF file. As long as they are delineations of your catchments, JC will be able to recognize them. Just drag and drop. Now it is asking you to calibrate the site. So let's say this length is equal to 20 meters. Now we click generate polygons. What JC is doing is it's recognizing the image and the names for each catchment and generating those catchments for modeling. Here you can see the catchments generated outlined in red. There are some artifacts it recognized from the names of each catchment. We can just remove those and now we have a clean catchment setup. We can inspect each catchment and its properties by double clicking on it. You can see the area, the catchment type, is it a roof, road or landscape, the imperviousness, as well as the name of the catchment. We can manipulate the shape of each catchment area. And we can also create new catchments using the Enter Source Node drawing mode. Next, we have to add treatment devices. The options you see here are as approved by that locality. We have manufactured as well as constructed device options. When you select a constructed device, for example a swale, you can see a device interface pop up. The user can only change the parameters you see on the screen. Parameters like K and C star values cannot be altered and they are locked in as per guidelines for locations. More on K and C star values can be found in the link to our training videos. There are limits to each of these parameters as well. We call it good practice limits, and these are all configured as per the locality as well. Here you can see the design interface for a bioretention. Similar concept to the swale where all the parameters are in accordance with the particular location and what they allow or don't allow. Now we enter link drawing mode and we connect the source nodes to the treatment nodes. And we add a legal point of discharge as well. Now the site is set up and ready for model to be run. Now the most important part. Now JC just created a music model. When you press generate report, we are calling the music software from command line. Music is now running the model for the report in the background and all the results are produced by music. Even without music on your computer, you can save the JC model and send it to someone who has music on their computer and they can run it for you. Now it asks you to enter details for your report, and once you click save, the report will open up as a PDF. And now we can look at the contents for the report. The report describes the site details, provides a screenshot of the catchment and the model you've just built, as well as details for each treatment device and the parameters entered by the consultant. The last part of the report is the maintenance and sizing of devices. All the maintenance requirements and sizing of devices are based on good practice and can be customized as per council rules. We can also save the model we've just built in JC and run it in music to compare the results. Here you can see the results in the report are comparable to the results in music, with slight variation due to the stochastic nature of pollution generation in music. The reports generated by JC can be used to support stormwater management plans in development applications across Australia. Thanks.